everyone. This is the letter S. What is the sound of the letter S? The sound of the letter S is S. Come on, say it with me. S. S. Well done. Now, let's see what starts with the letter S. This is a sun. Sun. One last time. Sun. Great job. All right, now we're at the beach. It is a nice sunny day, and we can see children making sandcastles, the mother at the back taking pictures, and everyone having a great time. Can you spot what word starts with the letter S? First, we have a sun hat. Sun hat. Sun hat. Next, we have these red sandals. What is it? Sandals. Sandals. Then at the back is the sea. Sea. One last time. Sea. Finally, on the beach, we have sand. Come on, let's say it together. Sand. Sand. Great job, everyone. Now it's your turn to say the letter S. Come on.